You might be asking yourself, how are all these 17, 18-year-olds, 19-year-olds just making insane amounts of money just off meme coins? People are making literally like 20 to 30 to 50k a week just off trading meme coins and even more. Now today we're going to talk about how to get set up and how you guys can even reach to that level. Like, is it worth trading meme coins? I'm going to be sharing my journey and how I started with just $300 and I ran up all the way to 7 figures. Today we'll be discussing how you guys can also get to that level and start making your first amounts of money with meme coins. So as you guys know, we're going to come straight to this page, which is Photon Meme Scope. This is literally where everything happens. You trade memes, you make money, and you get the gist of how memes actually work. I specifically use Bloom, which I connect as an extension. Bloom extension, as you guys can see, which I'll be linking down below. You guys can sign up and get lower fees. You've been seeing crazy P&Ls. You've been hearing so many stories about how people have went from nothing to making millions. You've heard stories, you've seen the news, you've seen people actually do it, and now you're asking this question, is just like, is it really worth getting into meme coin? I think right now is a perfect time to get started, as people are super fearful about, oh, aren't meme coins going to die, question mark? But people have been saying that for the last 7-8 months and we're still here making bank. It's a little bit different from before. Meme coins have drastically evolved from like just aping any cute animal coin that you see and just printing off of it. It's much more different now. There are tools such as Twitter Tracker that we have in Serenity as well. There are other tools as well that can help you trade and have an edge in this market. Now the basics is, of course, new pairs. There are memes coming out every second in the market, newly created, and there's different platforms as well. There's Pump Fund, there's Bonk. There's also other launch pads as well, such as Believe. So we'll talk a bit more about that and just an update of how the memes are actually moving at this very moment. Now, as you guys know, you're going to load up Sol, right? You're going to buy it through any exchange such as Coinbase, Finance, or Kraken. What you're going to do afterwards is once you buy Sol on those exchanges, you're going to send it to your Phantom wallet. And then you're going to come to Photon, go to wallets, and then you're just going to connect your wallet from Phantom and send it over to your Photon over here. And now you're literally ready to trade. It's as simple as that, literally. Now you're going to be asking, okay, now step number 2, like, how do you actually find these good memes? The current meta, as I'm speaking right now, are Believe coins have been going insane. Now there's this launchpad called Launchcoin, which Ben Pasternak released, and he's been the top hot topic in meme coins because people are making 100 to 200k just off a few coins that they have released. I'm gonna give you guys an example of a coin that has been recently launched on this Launchcoin app. As you guys can see, this is Cled. Now Cled has went all the way to 8 million, and as you guys can see, it's launched on the Believe app. You go on their Twitter. What you want to see is obviously number 1, docs dev. You want to see like the credibility of this project as well. No, anyone could just make a video, slap a video, make a website of an AI project and just call it a day and post it. What gives it credibility is that the fact that they launched a Believe app, and also Ben Pasternak, the owner, has also dropped the CEA. The CEA is basically a unique contract address to each coin. So now, as you guys can see, 1ZJX, as soon as he dropped the CEA in that comment, because Ben Pasternak has been supporting different projects, and as he dropped the CEA, you guys know that this went instantly to 8 mil, right? Overnight. That gives it credibility. He's also doxed the dev himself. He's a young entrepreneur that's been starting an AI company for data marketplaces, etc, etc. And you yourself can get into these type of coins and easily siphon through the graduated pair. Now, as I said in my previous few videos, is that you guys should be watching this graduated pair. You guys want to filter in Pump Fund and Bonk and also Launchcoin, so make sure that you guys are able to see each coin that comes out and each one that's running. There's a lot of scammers in this market. You guys got to be careful, but it's so possible to make insane money. As you guys can see yourself, the top traders have made 100k, 99k, 70k, 50k. People are making like crazy amounts of money. You don't need much to make money. You get what I mean? Like this person over here, 1.4k turned it into 10k. Now you don't need much, as we say. With meme coins, it is better if you have more, obviously, but you don't really need much to make much. Like when I started, I only had $300 and I was able to work out that $300 to my advantage to be able to get to 6 to 7 figures. Now let's talk about another project that I've been really closely keeping an eye on, which is called Apex, but this was launched on the Pump Fund platform. Now obviously there's differences between platforms. People might have a bias with different platforms. They're like, oh, I only want to buy certain projects that are on the Believe. Some people will be like, I only want to buy stuff on the Pump Fund, but it doesn't matter. Like if it's a credible project, like regardless of where it was launched, go for it. Now looking through this project, obviously it might seem fishy at first, it might seem scammy, but as you guys are doing more and more research about finding these coins, I saw this spawn in at 500k because I was kind of late to it, but I still got in, I still made like 30 soul. Now let's check this out. Now it's powered by official D-Date. Now it's just like, okay, this is the project. They have the CA in their bio. That's the #1 sign. Okay, this is legitimately connected with this coin. Okay, this project. Now it's powered by this. Now I want to look through more information to see if the dev of the project, the developer, is actually doxed. Now I do see that he is doxed. Now I go on his Twitter to find out he is the founder and CEO of official D-Date and has the Apex site on his bio as well. That's #2. That's how you guys know that this is a credible project, because he is doxed and he is interconnected with Apex. Third of all, you guys want to see like mutuals followings. When you guys see good mutuals, people that are credible in the space, and you guys see good mutuals, that's a good sign as well. You guys got to tick off on that list. Does everything match your list in order for you to buy this token? For me, this was worth it, because why? I looked into their project and it seemed like it's revolutionary. Apex AI is gearing up to bring our groundbreaking cancer detection tech to the US, starting with clinical validation for FDA approval. As you guys know, that if you guys want to go even more further on Google to see if this project is credible, you guys can do that. To see more about the CEO on LinkedIn, you guys can do that. Now, with all this information, with all these reviews as well, working with universities and working with startup companies, that I came to a conclusion that this project is credible. Now, how do you know when to take profits? Like, it's just like, okay, like what if you got in 500k? How do you know this project can run? So using past experience and intuition of certain projects that you've seen similar to these before, you guys will have an understanding of how price action works and how the chart moves. So like, let's just say the chart was like, okay, 500k, like how are you supposed to realistically know that this won't just like instantly crash? Like, how do you know people won't get bored? That's why you want to see that the project is giving continuous updates, hosting spaces, and making sure that the project is actually sustainable. So as you guys can see, this has been holding for 2 to 3 days and 4 days, and it's pretty sustainable in my eyes. So if people just wanted to size in here as well, they could maybe print a significant amount, maybe a 2-3x. So that's my opinion, and that's how you guys should go about checking out if the project is credible. Now I'm going to talk a little bit about my journey and how I went from $300 to 100,000. It was difficult in the beginning for sure. As you guys build this intuition and see more and more projects coming out, you guys are growing a strong intuition. And why? It's because you're always looking through market fundamentals. You guys are always connecting with people on Twitter. You guys are always on voice chat. That's what's really helped me in my journey, voice chat. And I have Serenity down below for you guys if you guys want to join and voice chat with us. We are on daily. If you are completely new to meme coins, or you are still struggling to make money on memes, please journal, because that has helped me significantly. So if you guys are not journaling and not writing down your mistakes, first of all, you're not writing down why your trade went well, you should be writing everything down. And why this helps me, because you're actually keeping discipline, first of all, and second of all, you are actually treating it like it's a job and it's a business. Like, it's not something you want to play around. It's your money. It's your hard-earned money that you guys want to look after, and you want to make sure that you are actually having improvements within your trading journey. You guys want to make sure that you guys have an edge in this market. It's changed my life for sure. Memes have really drastically changed my life. I do this full time, and I'm really grateful to be in this position. And I'm sure that if you guys put in that right effort and you guys put in that hard work and consistency, you will make money. It's inevitable. Why? Because you're learning from your mistakes, first of all. Second of all, you're always connecting with people in the space and asking questions. And thirdly, you guys are just hungry. You guys have to be hungry. Like, if you're not hungry and if you don't want it enough, then you will not make it. If you're treating this like it's a half-ass hobby, then bro, at that point, just quit. If you were actually dedicated, you will make it, bro. I promise. We've just added a new Twitter monitor because the previous one shut down in a lot of public servers. So join down below. I'll be linking Serenity down below so you guys can access that Twitter monitor to see what good new pairs are coming out in the market. I'm telling you guys that memes are still running hot. The market is good. Solana has been just uptrending. I think we're at 172 at the moment. So please be sure that you guys are locking in, that you guys are actually putting in that time and effort to make money, and you guys will reach that level of making 10,000 plus a month. And trust me, it will all work out. Appreciate you guys for watching. Let me know if you guys want me to